Floating crane. A floating crane is a heavy lifting machine mounted on a barge or ship instead of being built on land. Most modern examples are produced by marine engineering companies in countries such as the Netherlands, South Korea, China, and Japan, where large ports and shipyards demand enormous lifting capacity. Some floating cranes weigh more than 4,000 tons and can lift sections of offshore platforms weighing several thousand tons. Weight varies greatly, depending on the barge, but many are between 30 and 70 meters wide. The crane functions by using massive booms, winches, and counterweights while floating on water. A crew of around 6 to 20 people may be involved, depending on the complexity of the operation. Because these cranes travel by water rather than roads, a mile may take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes under their own propulsion, while some are towed even more slowly. Their ability to lift extremely heavy objects at sea makes them essential for offshore energy projects and ship construction. Railroad crane. A railroad crane is designed to travel on railway tracks and assist with rail construction, maintenance, and accident recovery. These cranes first became common during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, as rail networks expanded across Europe and North America. Manufacturers such as Kiro in Germany and several specialized rail equipment companies continue to build modern versions. Typical units weigh between 60 and 200 tons and can reach heights of 20 to 40 meters when the boom is fully extended. The crane moves directly along the tracks to reach damaged rail cars or construction zones. Usually 2 to 6 crew members operate the machine. Travel speed varies by model, but many can cover a mile in roughly 1 to 3 minutes when moving along open track. Their biggest advantage is reaching locations where conventional road cranes cannot easily access. Loader crane. A loader crane is a compact hydraulic crane mounted directly onto a truck chassis. Companies such as Polfinger in Austria and Hiab in Sweden are among the best-known producers. These cranes became increasingly popular after hydraulic technology improved during the mid-20th century. Most loader cranes weigh between 1 and 15 tons, depending on size, while the truck itself may weigh much more. Width generally matches standard truck dimensions, usually around 2.5 meters. One operator can often perform the entire lifting operation using remote controls or a control station mounted on the vehicle. On roads, the truck carrying the crane may travel a mile in 1 to 2 minutes under normal traffic conditions. The crane unfolds through a series of hydraulic joints, allowing it to load building materials, machinery, and cargo without requiring a separate lifting vehicle. Level luffing crane. A level luffing crane is a specialized tower crane that keeps its hook at nearly the same height while moving loads closer or farther from the tower. These cranes are commonly found at busy ports and densely populated city construction sites. Manufacturers from Europe and Asia have refined the design for decades. Many models weigh several hundred tons once fully assembled and can exceed heights of 80 meters. Operating crews usually consist of one crane operator supported by signal personnel on the ground. Since these cranes are fixed structures, they do not travel a mile themselves. Instead, their unique luffing mechanism adjusts the boom angle while automatically maintaining a relatively level load path. This feature reduces the risk of swinging loads into nearby buildings and makes them valuable in tight urban environments. Telescopic crawler crane. A telescopic crawler crane combines the mobility of trekked vehicles with the convenience of a telescoping boom. Companies such as Lubber in Germany and Tadano in Japan produce many of the world's most capable models. Modern versions can weigh anywhere from 50 to more than 1,000 tons. Boom heights often exceed 100 meters when extensions are installed. The crane moves on wide crawler tracks that distribute weight across soft ground. A crew of roughly 2 to 5 people commonly handles operation and support duties. Because crawler travel is relatively slow, covering a mile may take between 20 and 60 minutes, depending on terrain and machine size. Its major strength is the ability to move around a construction site while carrying loads that would force many other cranes to stop and reconfigure.